If you're dealing with body hyperpigmentation, whether it is a mild one, the moderate one, or the severe one, even if it is that stubborn body hyperpigmentation that has refused to go, that chickenpox mark or that mosquito bite mark on your legs that has refused to go for years, this video is for you because I have the solution for you. This video, I'm going to be categorizing the treatment based on the mild ones, the moderate ones, and the severe ones. Yes, I'll be talking about treatment for severe body hyperpigmentation last. So if you want to know that, please stick around with me to the end of this video. But before we dive right into it, hi, my name is Blossom Chinwe and I'm the host for this YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are welcome. Please don't make it your last. Hit the subscribe button and let's stay connected. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking with me. Please don't forget to like, share. If you have any question whatsoever, please ask them in the comment section. And without further ado, let us jump right into this video. Now, we all know what hyperpigmentation is, so I'm not going to start talking about what hyperpigmentation is, the causes, the prevention whatsoever. I'm going to jump right into the treatment. Now, we are going to be starting off with treatment for mild body hyperpigmentation. Now, if you have mild hyperpigmentation, that means your dark spots or dark patches are relatively new. They haven't been on your skin for too long and they are not deeply pigmented. So with that being said, you don't need any aggressive treatment. Honestly speaking, Kojie San Soap alone would work for you. Just use Kojie San Soap and sunscreen, because sunscreen itself is a treatment for hyperpigmentation. Okay, Kojie San Soap and your sunscreen are enough for your mild hyperpigmentation. See, I don't hype nonsense. Whenever I talk about Kojie San Soap, I'm talking about it because it has worked not just for me but for a lot of people. The skin on your body is thicker than that of your face. If you cannot handle Kojie San on your face, it is normal. The skin on your body might probably handle it well. Now, this is what you're going to do. Form a ladder. Always form a ladder of the Kojie San Soap on your hand. It is not good to apply the soap directly on your skin. So once you form a ladder, apply the ladder on the parts where you have hyperpigmentation. Rub the ladder into your skin and let it sit for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Even if you cannot handle 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you can leave it for 1 minute to 2 minutes, just based on what your skin can handle. And after that, apply your moisturizer. You can use a vitamin C moisturizer, a niacinamide moisturizer, or just a plain moisturizer. Apply it on those areas. Do this 3 to 4 times weekly, only at night. Whenever you're going out during the day, ensure to use your sunscreen. If I'm to rate ingredients that will help with hyperpigmentation, I'm going to rate sunscreen as the number 1. You cannot be dealing with hyperpigmentation and you are exposing your skin to the sun. Another product that will help you with your mild hyperpigmentation is this Alpha Skin Renewal Body Lotion. This lotion contains 12% glycolic acid. I'm always talking about this product. I am always talking about this product. I don't hype nonsense. I don't talk about things that I haven't used. I talk about things that I have used. Either there are things that I have used or things that I've seen someone use and it's seen as worked for the person. The main function of glycolic acid is to exfoliate your skin, and once it is exfoliating your skin, it is fading hyperpigmentation, it is fading discoloration, it is giving you an even complexion. Even if you want to use glycolic acid, and Alpha Skin Lotion is too high for you because Alpha contains 12% glycolic acid, and if you're pregnant or you are a nursing mother, you cannot use it because the percentage of glycolic acid in it is higher than 10%. Okay, a pregnant woman or a breastfeeding mom can use glycolic acid in less than 10%. Anything more than that will not be safe for her baby. So if you're a pregnant mom or you are a nursing mom, or if you have a sensitive skin and you want to use glycolic acid instead of lactic acid, you can use the ordinary 7% toning solution. It contains 7% glycolic acid, which is milder yet effective. Now, because of the way this product is, you might not be able to apply it on your whole body. It is for targeted areas. Let's say if you are dealing with dark armpits or you're dealing with dark inner thighs, you can pour some in a cotton pad and use it to swipe those areas. Or you can get a detachable spray cover and attach it to the bottle of the ordinary glycolic acid toner and then use it to spray on the affected areas. So if you have like mild discoloration on your leg, just spray it on those areas. If you have mild discoloration on your inner thighs, spray it on those areas and rub it into your skin. So if your dark spots or your patches are not that serious, you can use these products individually and they will help to significantly fade your hyperpigmentation. For Kojie San Soap, in 2 weeks or even less than 2 weeks, in fact in 10 days, your mild hyperpigmentation would clear out. For Alpha, in 2 weeks, your mild hyperpigmentation would clear out. Now, if you're dealing with moderate hyperpigmentation, a combo would work best for you. And the perfect combo is glycolic acid and kojic acid. So you're going to use this Kojie San Soap with any glycolic acid product. So either you want from the ordinary that is mild, or alpha, or amlactin that contains lactic acid. Now, what you're going to do, after you form a lather with your Kojie San Soap, you apply it on the affected areas, whether it is your inner thighs, your underarms. Apply it on those areas and let it sit for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. If your skin can handle it, you can apply either your glycolic acid toner or your alpha lotion. But if not, you are going to use your Kojie San Soap and your glycolic acid on separate days. So let's say on Monday night you will use your Kojie San Soap. On Tuesday night, you will use your glycolic acid product or your lactic acid product. Same thing goes with amlactin. If your skin can handle using amlactin together with Kojie San Soap, you can use it. If not, to be on a safe side, if you're not sure, you can use them on different nights. These two products are super effective for your body hyperpigmentation. They are going to even your dark underarms in no time. Use your Kojie San Soap 2 to 3 times only at night. Use your glycolic acid product 2 to 3 times only at night. Then during the day, always use your sunscreen. Like I said earlier, sunscreen is part of the treatment for hyperpigmentation. So don't joke with your sunscreen. Glycolic acid and kojic acid in your routine can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So in order to prevent sunburn, in order to prevent those dark areas from getting darker, please use your sunscreen during the day. And let it be a broad spectrum sunscreen. If you can limit sun exposure, please do. If you can wear protective clothing, please do. Instead of wearing your bum shorts or your short skirt and you have like hyperpigmentation on your legs and you are treating it, please wear long trousers or long skirts instead. Limiting sun exposure on its own is a skincare routine. 80% of skin darkening is caused by sun exposure. So if you can limit sun exposure, or if you can use your sunscreen religiously, you are already preventing 80% of darkening. So please take your sunscreen application seriously. Try to limit sun exposure, wear protective clothing, carry your umbrella. Now, this last one is for people with severe hyperpigmentation. If you have stubborn dark spots, stubborn mosquito bites, stubborn chickenpox mark on your body, either your legs, your arms, wherever, that has refused to go for years, and you've tried using glycolic acid and kojic acid and it is not working for you, or it is not giving you the improvement that you want, or it is slow for you, there you might want to try out this next step. Now, this next step is using hydroquinone. Now, before you come for me, I know that there are some people that are against sharing hydroquinone. But hydroquinone is not a bad ingredient. I talked about hydroquinone when I talked about melasma, and so many people came for me. Some accused me of encouraging bleaching. These are people that are just ignorant. They definitely did not watch that video till the end, because I made emphasis on how to use hydroquinone in a safe way. There is a reason why hydroquinone is the gold standard treatment for hyperpigmentation. There's a reason why it is still around. They've not abolished it completely. Dermatologists still recommend it to their clients. Dermatologists still approve of it. It is the gold standard treatment for hyperpigmentation for a reason. The only way hydroquinone would damage your organs is if you abuse it. Now, this is where you need to listen to me very well, because if after this someone still comes to the comment section to insult me, I'm going to insult you back. I'm not trying to be the bigger person. So if you've been trying to treat your stubborn hyperpigmentation for years and glycolic acid or kojic acid is not working for you, then you might want to try out this method. You are going to get hydroquinone cream. Hydroquinone cream usually comes in tube like this. This is tretinoin, actually not hydroquinone, but I'm just using this to explain. You are going to get a hydroquinone cream, either 2% or 4%, and you're going to get a plain moisturizer, either something like this. This is the Nivea soft cream. I love this because it is very moisturizing, and hydroquinone can be drying, so using this together, perfect combo. You're going to take a pea-sized amount of hydroquinone. Don't be generous with it. Take a pea-sized amount and then take your moisturizer, mix it together. You can take any amount of moisturizer actually, then mix it together, and you apply it on the affected areas. Don't pour all of this and all of this together and mix and then you keep. Please only mix them when you want to use them. Take a piece size of your hydroquinone cream, mix them together and apply on the affected areas. Do this 3 to 4 times weekly. If your skin still feels dry and you still find the need or see the need to use a body oil, use a body oil to layer in everything. Within 4 to 6 weeks, that your stubborn hyperpigmentation would be running out of your skin. Do this only at night, and during the day be generous with your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen, because hydroquinone can be your worst enemy if you use it without sunscreen. So ensure that you are using, in fact you are bathing yourself with sunscreen. If your intent of mixing hydroquinone with your cream is to bleach your skin, please don't try it. This is for treatment. This is for stubborn hyperpigmentation. Don't use it to bleach your skin. Don't use it to lighten up your skin, please. If you don't have severe hyperpigmentation, if yours is mild or moderate, you don't need to use hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is for people dealing with stubborn or severe hyperpigmentation. Another point to note, which is very, very important, is don't use hydroquinone for more than 8 weeks, 8 to 12 weeks maximum. So once you see results, stop using it. Don't use it again. You can now use your Kojie San and your glycolic acid, or you just use your glycolic acid alone or your lactic acid alone to maintain the result that you've gotten from using hydroquinone. I repeat, hydroquinone shouldn't be used for more than 8 to 12 weeks. Even if you must continue, which in most cases you will not even see the need to continue, but if you must continue, give your skin break for 3 months. Yes, for 3 months before going again to use hydroquinone. Start by using it 3 times weekly, then you work your way up. For some people, 3 times weekly is enough, but I've seen some people that use it every day. So it's just left for you to monitor your skin, watch your skin, how they react to like increase in these actives. If you're using hydroquinone, remember that hydroquinone can dry out your skin. So either you mix it with a very good and rich moisturizer, or you get a body oil and seal in everything. So whether your hyperpigmentation is mild, or it is moderate, or it is severe, there is always a treatment for you. Try this treatment, use them consistently. Don't fail to apply and reapply your sunscreen during the day. If you can minimize sun exposure, please do so. Trust me, you are going to see results. And if you do, don't forget to come back to this video and tell me how everything went for you. If you want to purchase any of these products that I mentioned, please send me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link on my description box. Just click on it and send me a DM. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and join this amazing, beautiful family. Don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. If you have any question whatsoever, if you're confused in anything I said, please ask me in the comment section. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful, beautiful, excellent week. Bye.